Today, we'll address the top things to declutter in the home office. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Today, I'll cover how to organize your home office by decluttering it. We have been covering my declutter lists of 20 things to declutter in each room, so if you missed the previous videos, I'd encourage you to go back and check them out. Also, stay tuned to the end of this video for more free organizing help. As you are decluttering the home office, you will most likely deal with files and important papers. You may be wondering, how long should I keep certain files such as taxes? The length of time you should keep certain files, such as tax-related documents, can vary depending on your country's tax laws and regulations. Here are some general guidelines. Tax returns and supporting documents. It's typically recommended to keep copies of your tax returns and supporting documents for at least 3 to 7 years. The IRS in the United States, for example, generally has 3 years from the due date of your return to audit you, but this extends to 6 years if they suspect you've underreported your income by 25% or more, and there's no time limit if they believe you've committed fraud. Receipts and records. Keep supporting documents such as receipts, invoices, bank statements, and any other records that support items on your tax return for the same period as your tax returns. This ensures you have documentation in case of an audit or if you need to file an amended return. Investment records. Keep records related to investments, such as purchase and sale confirmations, for at least 3 to 7 years after you've sold the investment. This helps in calculating capital gains or losses for tax purposes. Real estate records. Keep records related to the purchase, sale, and improvement of real estate properties for as long as you own the property and for a few years afterward. These records will be helpful for calculating capital gains or losses when you sell the property. Retirement plan records. Keep records related to retirement accounts such as IRA contributions and withdrawals for as long as the account is active. Additionally, keep records of any non-deductible contributions made to traditional IRAs indefinitely to avoid double taxation upon withdrawal. Insurance policies. Keep insurance policies and records for as long as the policy is active, plus a few years afterward in case you need to refer to them for any reason. Legal documents. Keep important legal documents such as wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and estate planning documents indefinitely. Always consult with a tax professional or financial advisor for specific guidance tailored to your individual situation, as the recommended retention periods may vary based on factors such as your tax jurisdiction, the complexity of your finances, and any unique circumstances you may have. Office Declutter Checklist. Declutter any unused computer equipment. Get rid of any unwanted books. Declutter your medical paper files. Declutter and organize important documents. Get rid of unwanted office supplies. Declutter any dried-out pens, markers. Get rid of any broken electronics. Declutter your power cords. Declutter notebooks, calendars, and planners. Organize and declutter taxes. Get rid of useless receipts. Declutter insurance files. Declutter car maintenance files. Get rid of unwanted appliance manuals. Declutter and organize home maintenance and mortgage files. Declutter and organize kids' school supplies. Get rid of unwanted kids' school papers. Declutter any work or business papers. Get rid of any useless bills and receipts. Declutter your ingoing and outgoing tasks. Did I miss anything? Let me know in the comments below. Do you know which important papers you should always have available? If you don't, you will appreciate my free printable personal records checklist to help keep you organized. I will link that below. Make sure you list the location of where your loved ones would find these records in the event of your passing. How to declutter. Start by eliminating trash first. Use a sturdy trash bag. Obvious trash would be empty bottles and paper clutter. Sort items by category if needed so you can see what you have. Get rid of duplicate items, broken items, unwanted office supplies, anything you'll never use again. Box up the donations and trash, recycle the rest. 5. Select a charity to donate your items and schedule the pickup if that is an option. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I have a housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I try to cover everything from balancing your bank balance to cleaning your kitchen. I will link that information for you in this video description. If you are looking to get more organized, I can help with that too. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. If you find it a struggle to get organized, there is likely a good reason why. As a matter of fact, I explore 11 reasons you fail to get organized over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If one of these 11 reasons sound familiar to you, I will give you some tips to overcome that obstacle and finally get organized. I will link this information below. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the Printables category over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If you are drowning in clutter, let me help inspire you. Clutter doesn't have to ruin your space. We are going to banish it. I do a year-long thorough declutter series on the blog. In this series, we declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If that is something you need to do, join me at the link in this video description. You will receive a daily task and a weekly email. By the time you complete this series, you will have decluttered every room and space in your home. I have declutter lists for each room over at dmiddleton.com. I want to inspire you to create a home for everything and make your housework more manageable and less time-consuming. Once the clutter is gone, you will spend far less time cleaning it. So, don't keep things around that take up your valuable space and time. Declutter it. Check out the links below to get started. Thanks for watching.